Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto cottage cheese brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 1 scoop of some kind of protein powder. I'm using vanilla, but if you have chocolate, is preferred. A half a cup of some kind of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. A half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Let's preheat our oven to 350 and line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper and just set it to the side. Next, we're going to put everything in a blender except for our chocolate chips and our white chocolate, and we're just going to mix that until well combined. That looks great to me, so now we're going to pour this into our prepared baking dish. That looks great. I went ahead and used a spatula to make sure you get every little last bit out of there because some of it does like to stick. So now we're going to put our sugar-free chocolate chips all over the top. Okay, we're going to get this into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out mostly clean. My brownies are out of the oven. I did let mine cook 30 minutes total, and they have been sitting here for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to use the overhangs to carefully remove them from the baking dish. My brownies have all been cut. I cut mine into 9 squares, so that should be a little less than 3 carbs each. I think that's pretty awesome. And these are super duper gooey, just so you know that. I am going to put mine in the refrigerator to help them harden up a bit, but they look and smell amazing, and I did taste a little bit, and they taste even better than they smell. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!